for Wix for e-commerce. Okay, so first we go into settings, and then we go to marketing and integration, which is at the bottom of the page. What's wrong with me? There we go. And then we just click on the metapixel, connect, continue again, and we click next. Just follow the prompts, look for your page. So mine takes a while because I have access to about 400 pages. So we'll just look for it. It's probably at the bottom of the page. It's not in alphabetical order. Okay, let's just search it. Easy, comes up. Click next, then actually pick your page. Most people won't have this many pages, so it'll be very quick and simple. Let's go. Okay, next. And then pick the pixel. You can make this beforehand or click create new, doesn't matter. You got this option, default is off, but I'm not sure if it's too important to have it on. I don't think you really need to collect this information, but let's try. Continue. Yeah, just click next. And we just wait for it to load. Come on. Okay, done. If yours fails, just refresh and try again. Update your Chrome, try in Safari, whatever it takes. But it should work 99% of the time. Okay, and that's it. So now we want to go to the front page and test it. So this is a relatively new client for us. So I'm just going to make sure we go to the right page. As you can see, there's a few different lady bits. There's lady dash bits. We want lady bits au.com. Okay, just double checking. Perfect, that's the one. Click it. And then we check the metapixel helper plugin. And yeah, it's detecting a pixel. So it worked. And then once you've done this, you want to click on add to cart, click on initiate checkout to see if it fires, and then you should be good to go. And that's how you install it.